Utilities today are under pressure to manage assets more efficiently and affordably. That's where reliability-centered maintenance, or RCM, comes into play. RCM is all about making sure each asset, from individual pumps to entire treatment facilities, can deliver the required output with the right level of maintenance. Maintenance can range from running an asset to failure to applying full predictive analyses. Think of it like allowing a duplex sump pump to fail and alarm versus using advanced techniques like laser alignment and vibration analysis on large pumps. Using methods like thermography, wire-to-water efficiency analysis, and oil testing, we can predict when maintenance is needed. This ensures operations stay smooth and costs stay manageable.